Shwa bangin sedang ya ke khubor, ni kerpa di pi ki nongpet, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki khubor na ke jylla. Myntri badai peit ya ke Pule puthi ke jylla Ma Lahkmen Rymbui mynne ke janmiet, Pyntip paidbah lyngba kilat pathai khubor, Halor ke jingpyllait ya ke pri bat Post Matric scholarship, Syaki Ryupawai hajar shispa ngut ki khynnah Pule ke jylla, ke bynta ke snem hajar Pawai hajar Puar. Ya ke pisa an Pyllait lyngba ki bank account jong ki khynnah ki badai hok pan yo ya katei ke Paidbah.
69 crores, 72,91,678 scholarship to the 61,116 students for the year 2021-22. So it will go to the individual account through PFMS.
What was the reason for the delay of the scholarship being released?
See, this is a 90-10 funding. So when we get from the government of India, we will process listed so that the matching 10% share will be given and then released subsequently to the education department so that we can release to the student.
Going further, can there be again any delay?
We are not expecting delay, but the thing is that we are moving in the direction that whatever incentive or whatever right of the student, we should be able to keep in time. Thank you.